And yes, welcome to your first tutorial on beginning HTML. HTML is the basis of World Wide Web. It is very much important that you know HTML even if you are going to do another language involved in the web. So this is an introductory video, and in the next video we will actually start doing some codes. So now let's look at some of these key points. Understand from this first point that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And you may start wondering, what is that Hypertext Markup Language? What is that? But it is actually very easy. You can simply say HTML is the document that contains text. HTML is the document that contains text. That's it. Once you create your HTML document, web browsers like Chrome, Firefox can read and display documents that contain HTML. So let's move on to the next slide that talks about tags. Every tag in HTML have an angle bracket. Every tag in HTML have an angle bracket. This is the angle bracket here. And next we have a tag called the body tag, and as you can see, it also have its angle brackets. Look at them. This is one angle bracket, this is the other angle bracket. And almost every tag in HTML has a closing tag. Therefore, if we have an opening tag, we are likely to have a closing tag. A closing tag is identified by this slash symbol. This is the slash symbol. Every closing tag is identified by this symbol here. So altogether, an opening tag and whatever it contains in it plus the closing tag are called the markup element. So you can simply say that a markup element is a set of tags that has something inside of it. We have so many tags, but we'll be going through them in other videos. We have so many tags, but we will be going through them in other videos. And almost all HTML codes you will be doing have an opening tag and a closing tag, but there are few tags that do not have a closing tag, and those tags are called the empty elements. This is an example of an empty element. It stands for image and it's responsible for displaying images. We don't need to put anything inside it. That is why it's called an empty element. So what is needed for this tutorial? We need a browser. You can pick either Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Edge. And we also need a text editor. You can pick Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, or Notepad++. But for the web browser, I will be using Google Chrome, and for the text editor, I will be using Visual Studio Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video, where we will do our first web page. Here are some questions you can try. What does HTML stand for? HTML is a document that contains what? A tag with only an opening tag is called what? A tag with both opening and closing tags are called what? The slash symbol is found in A, the opening tag, or B, the closing tag.